Junaid, can you hear me? If you guys can listen to me, then we will start the session of MCQs. So, Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. So, today's topic is Friday clinicals at DHMC Sports Injuries Session. You will be given 15 MCQs, and time allowed is 30 seconds for each MCQ. And at the end of 15 MCQs, I'll tell the answers of each MCQ, and you will mark yourself. And after this session is finished, we'll start with the hand and peripheral nerve injury session. You'll have to log out and rejoin for the next session. So let's start with MCQs. So MCQ 1, MCQ 2, MCQ 3, MCQ 4, MCQ 5, MCQ 6, MCQ 7. MCQ 8. MCQ 9. MCQ 10. MCQ 11. MCQ 12. It is most common. There is a spelling mistake of common. N is missing. MCQ 13. MCQ 14. Last MCQ, MCQ 15. Thank you. Now let's discuss the answers. So the answer to MCQ 1 is alpha A polyglycolic acid. Reference is page 2684, Campbell 13th edition. Answer to MCQ 2 is B beta or sartorius, gracilis, and semitendinosus. MCQ 3, the correct answer is delta D, that is tear of anterior cruciate ligament of knee. MCQ 4, sandwich technique, the correct answer is A, transplanted bone, periosteal flap, chondrocytes, and then again periosteal flap. MCQ 5, the most common site for osteochondritis dissecans of the knee is outer aspect of medial femoral condyle. MCQ 6, the correct answer is C, anterolateral portal. MCQ 7, the correct answer is unhappy triad, D option. MCQ 8, the correct answer is medial rotation of tibia in flexion, C or Charlie option. MCQ 9, alpha option is the correct option, and the answer is cyst disappear with knee flexion. MCQ 10, the correct answer is antero-inferior glenohumeral ligament, C option. MCQ 11, again C option, it is West Point view for to diagnosis of bony Bankart lesions. MCQ 12, let me just correct it. So MCQ 12, the correct answer is D, osteochondritis dissecans. MCQ 13, the correct answer is E, radiographs will commonly show squaring of effective condyle with cupping of tibial plate. MCQ 14, the correct answer is C, Osgood-Schlatter disease. And MCQ 15, this is the last MCQ, the correct answer is B, limited hip adduction when extended. So thank you very much for connecting. Now I'll end this session and immediately you have to connect for the next meeting for hand and peripheral nerve session. Thank you.